At the core of the OneKey Classic 1S lies an EAL 6 Plus certified secure element, designed to protect private keys against both physical and logical attack vectors. This includes resistance to side channel analysis and tampering attempts, which places it firmly within the upper tier of consumer-grade hardware security. Beyond the hardware, the device integrates a series of protective mechanisms that operate continuously. Repeated incorrect PIN entries trigger automatic data erasure, while secure boot processes ensure that only verified firmware can execute. Communication between the device and external systems remains encrypted, maintaining isolation even during active use. The OneKey Classic 1S does not attempt to differentiate itself through excess. Instead, it succeeds through coherence. Every aspect of the device, from packaging to firmware architecture, aligns with a singular objective: to reduce risk without introducing unnecessary complexity. Its offline-first onboarding, hardware-backed security, transparent software model, and disciplined user experience collectively form a product that feels mature rather than experimental. There are no superfluous elements, no distracting features, only a focused implementation of what a hardware wallet should be.